Hi guys, Phil Jackson here from Tekmetric. I work on the marketing team as a account executive. So my day-to-day job is talking to tons of shops about how we can increase their business and how we can make their shop be found and eventually make you guys more money as potential shop owners. So my question to you guys is, where do you think your customers are finding your local repair shop right now? And you can see from my screen here, I'm kind of guiding you to this. It is online for the most part, right? We still have the online reputation where customers are referring their friends to you, which is amazing. Your best marketing in general is servicing the customer well, which, all our shops will try to do, right? The next thing is they're going onto Google. So as a shop owner right now, I challenge you, go to Google, type in auto repair near me. So as a tester here, let's just say I'm looking for here in Phoenix, right? I'm auto repair near me, and I'm going to type in a zip code. Right. So I would encourage you guys to try this and see what you guys see. Right. So as I scroll through here, there's lots of different options of what we're looking for. Right. So there's also a lot of people now searching on Google Maps. So you may want to do this for your shop just to see, how you guys are ranking. As I scroll through these options here, right, you'll see the ones that stand out at the top. Generally speaking, I am looking at those Google reviews. Right. They are absolutely imperative to attract in the new type of customer. As I'm scrolling through here, not many people are going to come in and do business with somebody who's only got a handful of reviews, right? So if I type in just as a test again here, and I don't know if there's a shop that exists here, Phil Jackson, auto repair, let's see what pops up, right? So looking like it's searching in my area again, we're looking at these details, the majority of which are, how good is that Google review? Now, how do I find, or how do I collect Google reviews? And there's many different ways to do that. I'm going to give you a few examples right here. So here we are inside the Tekmetric platform. For those of you who don't know, Tekmetric is a shop management system. We've recently added a marketing arm to it. And one of the things we've just been discussing is the Google reviews, right? There's many ways to find new customers. We're just talking about the importance of your online reputation. So how do we get those Google reviews? What are best practices? There are many different ways, one of which is that in-person ask. Customer comes into your shop. Jimmy, how was your experience today? Oh, it was great, Mr. Shop Owner. And then you potentially plug and ask for that Google review. Right, you can text them the link. You can have a QR code. A lot of our shops have a QR code at the front counter. Customer scans it, takes them straight to Google, leaves that feedback. Now, that can be awkward sometimes as a shop owner, as a service advisor, and you guys are so busy on a day-to-day basis, we don't always get the chance to ask. So we might be serving 20 customers a day. We might only get to ask 4, okay? How else do we collect Google reviews? Now, I always say this is purely a numbers game. The more we ask, the more we get. The human can forget, right? Again, 4 out of 10 is actually pretty good. Technology, if you have stuff in place, does not forget. So if you have a texting system, if you have an email follow-up, some form of CRM, customer retention management, you are going to ask customers as they leave. So in our system, it sees the ticket closed. You set it up to go 1 or 2 days later automated. And all it's going to say is, hey, Mr. Customer, the shop owner at Jimmy's Auto, how was your service at the shop? Would you mind leaving us a Google review? Or whatever you want that message to say. We're going to ask customers how we did. We're going to get feedback. If it's good feedback, hopefully it goes to Google. And in turn, that's where we're going to gain these new customers. Okay. So once we have the Google reviews, what can we do after that? Right? The job is not done. If you see in here, again, this is the platform. It shows all the shop management system stuff. In this marketing tab, we have the review status here, right? So I can go in, I can look back at my 6-month reviews, and I can see which ones need a response, right? So Marley Miller here took the time to leave us some feedback. Now, if we have time, which we just discussed, it's a busy day, we need to respond to these Google reviews. And there's 2 reasons for that. One, as I'm looking at your Google reviews as a potential customer, if I'm seeing that the shop owner is taking the time out of their day to respond to me from a human point of view, that looks really, really good. Number 2, it really does help with your SEO, with your rankings, with that feedback on Google, right? So if you're taking the time to respond in here about that check engine light that Marley mentioned, or you know that Marley owns a BMW because you remember her, we can respond in here. Now, you can type up a message, and that's great. We also have a feature in our platform, which is, Draft with AI. Go ahead and click that. It types up a nice response for you, right? Pretty personal. You can add some detail on here. Again, if you remember Marley and she has a BMW, that is a keyword that we mentioned, and that helps again with your SEO rankings, and you will be found more for BMW and check engine lights. Like, that is what Google is looking for. Are you doing what people are searching for? If you're doing check engine lights, this review left by Marley is going to really help you rank for those things. Okay, so when you get reviews, don't just leave them over there, respond to them. People like that. It's a good look and it helps from that SEO point. Okay, so you've got the automated text that can go out, the regular text message that can go out. You've got asking at the front counter. You've got a QR code that they can scan. All these will help you gain that online reputation, which customers are looking for and seeking you out on. When they find you, we want your shop to stand out. One of the best ways your shop can stand out versus any competitors to a customer that has never stepped foot in your shop before is that online reputation. How are your customers talking about you on a day-to-day basis? Are you responding to those? It's all hand in hand in how you attract that new customer. Okay. So I hope that helped. One of the ways it's to gain those new customers. They're finding you on Google. Make sure your online reputation is in good standing. Make sure you're getting those up-to-date Google reviews and responding to them accordingly. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions on the marketing, we'd be happy to help. If you haven't, check out the Tekmetric platform in general. It can really help you shop with efficiency, gain you new customers, and potentially make you more money.